In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana using native time tracking paid plans. If you're on a paid Asana plan, you have access to a built-in time tracking feature that adds two helpful fields to your tasks: estimated time and actual time. Estimated time is your best guess of how long a task should take. Actual time is what you record as you work, so you can compare plan versus reality and improve your estimates over time. To enable this in a project, start by opening the project where you want to track time. In the top right corner, click the Customize button to open the Project Settings panel. In that panel, select Fields, then click the plus Add option. From the list that appears, choose Time Your Work. As soon as you add it, you'll see the estimated time and actual time fields appear on your tasks in that project. If you don't see the option, double check that you're working in the right project and that your workspace is on a paid plan with permission to edit fields. Now let's track time. If you want to capture work as it happens, use the live timer, open a task and look for the actual time field. Click the play button in that field to start tracking. A small timer will pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen and continue running as you work. This keeps your focus on the task while ensuring your time is captured in the background. When you're done with that work session, the time you spent is recorded into the actual time field for that task, so you can see it at a glance alongside your original estimate. If you prefer to log your work after the fact, you can enter time manually, click directly into the actual time field on the task, and type the duration in a simple format such as 1H 30 ms or 45. Press enter to save it. This is great for summarizing a block of work at the end of the day or correcting a time entry. A few tips to get the most from this setup. Before you start a task, fill in the estimated time so you have a meaningful baseline. As tasks complete, compare estimated and actual to spot where work ran longer or shorter than expected. Over time, you'll refine your planning, which helps with forecasting and team capacity. You can also display these fields in your project's list view to review multiple tasks at once and keep your time data consistent across the team. That's it. Simple, accurate time tracking right inside Asana using features designed for paid plans.